Welcome to a beautiful VS Code setup. And so this is what I use in pretty much all of my courses. And I have had thousands of people now ask me, Caleb, what theme do you use? What plugins do you use? And I figured I would just make a course about it because I have a lot of people asking this question and it takes a lot of time to answer that question over and over and over again every single day. So first things first, let's go ahead and open up VS Code. If you don't have VS Code, make sure you download it and then open up VS Code. And so I just opened up VS Code and there's nothing in here right now. And so what I want to do is go to View and then Extensions. And so I'm on a Mac. This might look slightly different for you if you're on Windows, but it's going to look very, very similar regardless. And so these are all of my extensions that I have in here. And I'll go through a few of them. But first of all, your VS Code probably doesn't look like mine. Mine has this nice blue-ish theme to it. So what you want to do to make yours look like mine is in your extensions, type in material theme and go here and you can see that I have material theme installed. And so you're going to want to install this. It might ask you to restart VS Code. If it does, that's okay. Just restart VS Code, come back to this page, and then you can go to set color theme and you can click set color theme here and you can scroll through these and you can see the different color themes that it gives you. And so some of these are kind of ugly, in my opinion, or way too bright. That's just way too bright for my eyes. For example, I don't really like this one. Maybe you do, and if you do, that's okay. It doesn't have to, your VS Code doesn't have to look exactly like mine, but mine is set up to use material theme ocean high contrast. So not this normal one here, but the high contrast one. So you can see some of the darks are a little bit darker. So once you go ahead and get that set up, in the next lesson, what I'm going to show you is how I can get this little flame. Actually, that doesn't really show up on the first line, but this little flame, every time I type, it gets that little flame above. I'm going to show you exactly how I enable that.